Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's exercise 29, the solutions from exercise 29, where the question is to factorize completely. So you do not need to solve anything, but the only thing what you need to do is to factorize. Then you need to use a theory like factorize with one bracket, then you need to put a product outside the bracket, or you need to use the product sum method. One of those two you need to use. Now let me just have a look at the first one, exercise 29a. The question is x squared minus 27x plus 26. Now, well, here we do not. We need to use the product sum method, where we need to find a product what is 26, and if we add them we get minus 27. Now, which two answers are there? That's minus 26 and minus 1, because if I multiply those two numbers you get positive 26, and if you add those two numbers you get minus 27. So x is minus 26 and x is minus 1. Exercise B, x squared minus 27x. Now here we need to factorize, we need to get one product outside even the x squared and even the minus 27x. Now which one is it? It's the x, yeah, so the term x we need to put out x squared, then we have left x, and if I put the x outside the minus 27 x, you only get minus 27. There we go. C, x squared minus 50x plus 26. Use the product sum method again, so you get x minus 2 and x minus 13. Alright, exercise D. 3x to the power 4 y minus 3y. This is a difficult one, because we can put 3y outside the brackets, then we still have left x to the power 4 minus 1. There you go. And now we need to look at this part inside the brackets. So we're gonna multiply through 3y with two other brackets. Now, well, first we have a look at x to the power 4. If you multiply x to the power 4 of x to the power 2 with himself, then you get x to the power 4. So think about a remarkable product like a minus b and a plus b. Then we know that the answer is a squared minus b squared. Yeah? So now we know that we get inside the bracket x squared. There you go. And outside brackets, yeah, what is this number multiplying with that number? Then we get, instead of b squared minus 1, and of course minus 1 and plus 1. Yeah? And then we can go on with this part, because x squared minus 1, that one, we can go on with 3y multiplying with x minus 1 and x plus 1, and then multiplying with x squared plus 1. And that's the answer. So in this exercise you need to know something about the remarkable product. Yeah, and this is a difficult one. Alright, let's go on with exercise E. X squared minus 11x minus 18. Well, here we need to use the product sum method again. Then you get x plus 5 and x minus 16. Exercise F. X squared minus 79x minus 18 is x plus 1, times x minus 80. All right. Exercise G. 2x to the power of 3 minus 98x. Now, you can't use the product sum method, so we need to put something outside the bracket. And to look at the terms, you get 2x outside. So what do we have left? X squared and minus 49. There you go. And in that case, you need to see that this is again a remarkable product, that one. So we can go on with 2x inside the bracket x minus 7 and x plus 7. And that's G. H. 6x squared y plus 12xy squared. 6x and even a y. We can put out the brackets, and then we still have left x plus 2y. And that's the answer from H. Then I. X squared minus 17x plus 72 is the product sum method again. X minus 8 and x minus 9. There you go. J. X to the power of 3 minus x squared minus 56 x. Now first we need to put something outside all those terms, and that's the letter x. Then we still have left x squared minus x minus 56. Here we need to use product sum method again. Then you get x times x plus 7 and x minus 8. And that's J. If we have a look at K, x squared minus 38x plus 72 is equal with x minus 2 and x minus 36. And then the last one, L, is 5x squared plus 5x. You can put the 5x outside the bracket, and then we still have left x plus 1. And those are the answers from exercise 29. So again, be aware from exercise D, it was a difficult one, and even exercise G, where you need to use the product sum method, like a squared minus b squared is equal with a plus b times a minus b, or of course a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This one was equal with a minus b squared, or you also have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and that was equal with a plus b squared. So very important, those remarkable products, that you know them all, and especially in this case a squared minus b squared. Yeah, so that was exercise 29.